Hey everyone, we are going to make this amazing chicken pie. First, we are going to dice one bell pepper. Place it in a bowl, put it to a side, get another cutting board. We are going to roughly mince about 500 grams or 1 pound of chicken breast. We are going to add salt and black pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of paprika, and some olive oil, and mix it all well together. Now in a pan overheat, add about a tablespoon of butter, then add your chicken and cook about 8 to 9 minutes. Once it's almost cooked, add your diced bell pepper and cook it for another 5 minutes. Then remove from heat. Brush the bottom of the pan or Pyrex with melted butter. Then start adding your puff pastry, either store-bought or homemade. Then add your cooked chicken and peppers. Spread it evenly. Then top it with your favorite cheese. I chose mozzarella. Then add another layer of puff pastry. And with a fork, start poking the top layer of puff pastry. Then brush it with melted butter as well. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds and black seed, which is optional. You can top it off with whatever you like. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. And enjoy.